Now that you have your credit reports, the next step is that we actually complete an application. So this application is fairly simple to actually go ahead and complete. So what I will need you to do is go ahead and put your first name in, put your last name, put your address in. And remember, when you put your address in, if you watch any of my previous videos, then you know that if you want to get a lot of items removed, you may want to go ahead and change your address. So if the address that you're actually changing to, make sure you're putting it right here. So put your address here, put your phone number here, and then put your email address here. We'll also need your date of birth and then your social security number. Now, remember when I asked you to sign up for Identity IQ? That was a class right before here. Get your reports. Put your login information here. Put your username and password. Make sure it's the correct username and password. Now, you're not required to buy a home because at first I offer free credit repair for those who are looking to buy a home. You're not required to actually buy a home to get the free credit repair. But if you're actually looking for a home and you want me to actually help you with that, go ahead and put how much you have saved for your dream home here. Put the amount of bedrooms you want, your bathrooms, how soon are you looking to buy? What cities would you like to live in? And, how much would you like your mortgage to be? And I want your total. Like, I cannot spend more than $1,500 a month for my mortgage. Whatever that number is, make sure you put it here. And then describe your dream home here, because when I go ahead and look for certain homes for you, I have a certain realtor look for homes for you. We need to know what you're looking for. So if you want an open concept, you want something fairly new, I'll need a huge backyard. I need a four-car garage. I need a slab also so we can park a lot of cars. I need a big driveway. Whatever it is, make sure you put that here. And then I want to know, how did you actually hear about us? So you can go ahead and pick all that apply here. And then you can put a separate one here. Say if someone told you, say, oh, my realtor told me about you, or say I heard about you at the bank, or whatever the case may be, you can go ahead and put that here. Remember that this service is free, but I actually have to pay for my assistant, and it's really built off of donations. That's how I'm able to have it free. So if you're able to put a donation in here, that'd be perfect. And I really appreciate donations. Thank you so much for everyone who has been donating to us. So you can go ahead and put your donation here, even if it's only $20, $100, $200. Remember, anything helps. It helps pay for my assistant, help me be able to keep this going. So go ahead and put a donation there if you're able to put a donation. But if you're not able to make a donation now, you can go ahead and make a donation in the future if you see results or whatever you want to do. You can make a donation. Now, after you get done doing that, just go ahead and click submit. Now, after you click submit, give us up to right here. I said, we will go ahead and mail out the letters for you to get the items deleted from your credit report, because we will look at your Identity IQ account. We'll go ahead and log in, and we can see the negative items that need to be removed from your credit reports. So, allow 48 business hours, then you'll get a message letting you know, hey, your letters have been sent out. Join our Facebook group. You'll get all of those text messages after we go ahead and send out your letters. And you'll get emails too, letting you know, hey, your letter's been sent out. These are the items that we're disputing. You'll get the emails for that also. But go ahead and allow up to 48 business hours for my assistant to go ahead and send those letters in for you. You'll receive a text letting you know the date of the follow-up class. Now, you're not required to do a follow-up class if you're actually getting your credit done for free. Those are the follow-up classes for people that actually want to do it themselves. They want to come in every month and say, hey, this is what I need deleted. Every month they got to stay on top of it. Now, if you're getting a credit repair for free, you don't have to stay on top of it. We'll stay on top of it, and we'll let you know, hey, we looked at your credit reports again, and these are the items that were deleted. This is how much your credit scores went up. And remember too, you'll get emails like, hey, if you're ready to buy a house, it may be time now. You can look now. Your time is now. So go ahead and to stay on top of the emails, and we will let you know, hey, apply for this credit card, apply for that credit card if you don't have credit. And if you have any questions for us, remember, you can always text or call us. Now, remember, allow up to 48 business hours, and we will send this information to you. Let us know if you have any questions for us. Thank you.